What does it mean to be yourself? Our society says you can be yourself, but not like this or this. Definitely not this. Blah, blah, blah. I know this feeling. The world sends us messages like that, but not you. You're here to make a difference. You've got the visuals, the music, the words, the message, but no voice is different enough to really convey it. That's where I come in. Your words, my voice. Simply, conversationally, with my accent. Can you guess where I'm from? No matter if it's a commercial, a video, or something entirely different. As long as it isn't AI, it isn't promoting far-right ideology, it isn't religious, nor overtly sexual, I'd love to help out. I'll be authentically me so that you can be authentically you. So, are you ready to begin?